Just gonna show you some stuff here. We've done some different things. I mean, of course the garden is not different, but got a new pepper plant there. We got a really nice tomato plant growing here. We got our pineapple plant. We got our blueberry bush that's growing. We've had it a year. And that's a really good pepper plant, and those are sweet peppers over there. And then we had some stuff done to the house so Mark can get in and out of the house. We had this lovely ramp built. All right, let me let you in, Yak. So it comes right out here. And he can go right outside. So now he can get in and out with no problem. Nice clean area out here, well, other than the leaves. And then we had this done in the kitchen. Fish. The Oscars' friends was supposed to be their lunch. Our lovely little fish tank with all our rescue fish. And then this is what we had done in the kitchen. We had the wall removed. They have to fix that up there and that down there. But now our refrigerator actually fits in our kitchen and doesn't stick out much. Very nice. That little guy just turned 7 the other day. He's a baby. Look at him with Papa. And there's Curtis. And that's a good one to live by. And that's what Ashley got us when we went on the carnival dream.